Yeah.
Masagot na lang po.
Apo.
First question po, ano po ba ang programa o mga programa ninyo tungkol sa mga out of school?
Yeah, tungkol sa out of school youth, una meron kaming tinatawag na alternative learning system. Pero yung mga out of school youth, kung gusto pang pwede pa silang mag-aral, no? Then we also may tinatayo kaming public library na medyo IT, mga computer yan, no? Para yung mga out of school youth, instead of makatambay-tambay lang dyan, they can go to the library, no? Then meron din tayong mga livelihood programs na pwede nilang salihan just in case they want, no? Then meron din tayong mga naka-schedule ng mga job fairs, no? Just in case they want to go to work na, no? Basically, yun lang as far as I can pa, no?
Pangalawang tanong po, tungkol naman po sa ikakaganda ng ating kapaligiran, ano po yung mga nagagawa ninyo o gagawin din ninyo na ikakaganda ng ating kapaligiran?
Yeah, actually, ongoing program natin yan is the waste segregation, no? Yung may batas tayo na sa gobyerno para makuha yung environment natin. So yun ang pinupush natin ng Hosto everyday during garbage collection. Meron tayong ini-educate natin mga tao na the proper way of segregating waste, no? Which is very important. Then in fact, right now we have materials recovery facility sa barangay wherein yung mga basura na pwede pang i-recover, sinesegregate din natin further sa barangay for recycling purposes o other purposes. Then of course, daily, meron tayong street sweepers. We have about 14 street sweepers who wake early in the morning, about 4 o'clock in the morning, sila yung nagwawalis na sa ating barangay upang maging malinis. Then, of course, we have pinipinturahan natin yung mga gutters natin sa roadside, no, para maganda tingnan. And basically yun lang. Although marami pa tayong nakalaan ng mga programa, pero as of this moment, yun lang yung marirecall ko.
Marami din po tungkol naman po sa kapayapaan ng ating komunidad, ano naman po ang inyong nagawa at gagawin pa?
Okay, ang nagawa natin, the most recent, ay nagtayo tayo ng 16 units na CCTV, no? All over the barangay sa mga, it is located at the strategic locations, no? Medyo crime-prone areas. Then it is monitored 24 hours a day by our BPSO. Meron tayong 2 monitors. Then hopefully, if God willing, kung ma-re-elect tayo as punong barangay, we plan to put 32 more units of CCTV so that the whole area of Masambong, including the schools around, will be covered by our CCTVs, no? Then of course, aside from that, meron tayong continuous patrolling every night, every day, no? Every 2 hours may umiikot tayong mga patrol. Then we purchased brand new motorcycles for our tanods to be more mobile. Then of course, lahat ng tanod natin, almost lahat, we have in fact about 25 units of radio, two-way radio, so that there will be fast communication, no? And we have also a repeater in our base so that the communication will be very clear in any part of the barangay, no? And in fact, our response time now is less than 2 minutes, no? If there's a call for help, walang 2 minutes only nandun ang ating responde, no? Then of course, we have put up 5 outposts at the critical entrances to the barangay, which is manned by our volunteer tanods, no? So that we can control the incoming criminal elements and outgoing, no? Then of course, continuous ang ating checkpoint, yung mga checkpoint every now and then. So ano pa ba? Ang dami pa, marami pa dyan, no? So basically, yun ang nandyan, we are doing for the peace and order, no?
Thank you po.
Ito lang.
Thank you po.
Thank you.